Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for July 11th to the 23rd. A ridge is forecast over the eastern Pacific and the northwest Atlantic. This supports amplified flow for July 11th to the 15th. And the National Hurricane Center lifts Chantal through the Bahamas by day 5 as a tropical depression, with some enhancement of rainfall anticipated over Florida Peninsula, particularly the East Coast. Frontal boundary associated with a trough in the east should keep the east and the southeast wet with the moist southerly flow until the front pushes through. An upper low lifts southwestward. Much drier air is forecast to be pulled down into lower Mississippi Valley. Tropical storm Chantal is forecast by the National Hurricane Center to pass east of Florida late this week and into the weekend, with effects dependent upon organization and interaction with a frontal boundary to the northwest. A weakness in a subtropical ridge over the eastern U.S. could provide a potential pathway for Chantal. In the west, moisture plumes should fuel diurnal activity across the southwest. Okay, so now we're going to look at the period for July 14th to the 18th, and the ensembles and models are in good agreement with the 500 millibar circulation for July 14th to the 18th. A trough is forecast over the Bering Sea and off the northwest coast. A ridge is forecast over Alaska and much of the nation, as you can see right here, covered by large above normal heights. The pattern favors a northward expansion of the subtropical ridge across the southern U.S. and a northward shift in the main storm track across the northern border. So during this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for this region. For precipitation, expecting below normal precipitation here, and above normal precipitation for this area. So now, that's on our map. Now we're going to look at the period for July 19th to the 22nd, and the ensembles and the operational runs are in agreement with the 500 millibar circulation for July 19th to the 23rd. The models indicate some eastward progression across the high latitudes of the pattern. The 0Z GFS is more amplified with the trough near the northwest coast compared to the other model solutions. So during this forecast period, little change is expected in the temperature pattern, maybe just a reduction for below normal temperatures along the east coast and the southeast. And for precipitation, generally looking for below normal precipitation here, and above normal precipitation for this region. So that is long-range weather forecast discussion for July 11th to the 23rd. Thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day. Good evening, and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the latest tropical weather update. Here's the latest on Tropical Storm Chantal as of 5 p.m. Position 11.8 north, 53.9 west. Winds are 45 miles per hour, gusts to 60, moving towards west-northwest at 26 miles per hour. And pressure is 29.68 inches. Okay, here's the latest satellite imagery of Chantal. And Chantal is forecast to continue moving to the west-northwest with a northwestward turn, passing east of the Florida coast, and then the weakness in the subtropical ridge and a frontal boundary that will be approaching the southeast might provide a pathway for the system to come up as a rainstorm, most likely along the east coast. Another computer models are showing it going out to sea, as we'll take a look here. This is the forecast models, and you can see it. Let's see if we can go further to the west. And some models have it going across Florida, like this model shows the AVNO. Now, historically, historically is for the system to follow this kind of path. We'll have to wait and see how that happens. But right now, that's how it looks. We're going to take a look at the satellite picture. Here's Chantal right here. And we have another system approaching Lesser Antilles next week. So that is the latest on Tropical Storm Chantal. Thank you for coming to Monthly World Weather and have a good day.